So in construction, especially in renovations, you're going to run into hiccups that you didn't foresee. So out here at this renovation, we had 25-year-old site finished Brazilian cherry wood that we tried to reclaim and keep as long as we could, but it just wasn't working out the way we wanted it to. So what do we do in that situation? We actually get with our designer and have her pick a new luxury product that fits this home. So what we got her to do is go through our selection of hardwoods and pick a product that was going to be functional, but also provide that luxury for this new home. So we went with a new glue down wood product. It's going to be durable, it's going to look great, and it's going to last for a long time.